Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And just gonna try and do a quick ring pour today. Feeling a little bit under the weather. So let's just get with it. I'm actually just using my Artist Loft Premixed pouring paints, which I actually love. They come out quite shiny. And I'm gonna be using Artist Loft Premixed Turquoise. I'm going to be using Phalo Blue. I'm going to be using Metallic White. I'll be using Black. I'll be using Silver. I'll be using Old Gold. And I'll be using Bright Blue. I actually love all these colors. I love the way the Artist Loft Premixed at the ends of the paint, when it dries really shiny and beautiful. So let's start. I'm going to use this is an 8-inch round. And I have it on my spinner. Not that I'm going to use the spinner, but I just thought I'd bring it up a little higher today. And I'm going to start off with, let's see, what goes in first comes out last. I'm going to start off with my Bright Blue. And I'm going to try and do a few layers here. Gonna want to fill this cup about almost full. So I hope everybody is doing well out there. Just getting over, I got my second COVID shot on Wednesday, and I'm certainly not complaining at all. But I did get a little fever after the shot. I'm not going to say that I had aches and pains, because I really didn't. I didn't get any aches and pains at all. I want to say maybe about 12 hours later. Kind of woke me up in the middle of the night. And yeah, and I had a little pain in my arm, you know, in the injection site. And then I got a little fever. And for about 2 days on and off, I had that fever. And today I'm feeling pretty good. But I'm going to take it easy for a day or two. There's no rush. You know what I'm doing here? As you saw yesterday, I kind of gave you a little preview because I honestly couldn't get out of bed to do a video. So that's what that was all about. I hope it was okay with you guys. And okay, so I think that cup is filled enough. And let me put a little bit down here. You know what? I only have a little drop of this metallic white. I was gonna stick some of that right in the middle. So we can start this off. Or maybe I can use my little turntable for, yeah, maybe I will. Use that turntable to pour. Well, I started to get a nice design in the middle, and then I threw myself off a bit. You can see that I did that. So let me see. That gold looks pretty. I'm liking the shine in here. It looks like a big wave in the middle, right about here. So I have to decide how I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'll leave that over here. Yeah, I really love this center. So let's see what we could do with that. Hope I can keep it. Okay. I think I may have done it. Oh, I think I love this. Well, it's not a very bright. It's not very bright, but I am loving I love this middle right here. See if I can move it a little more to the center. I think I'm happy with that, just the way it is. I'm gonna give it a torch and see. I really don't want to bring up any cells. Okay, I think this is done. I'll take you all down for a close-up at the end. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Thank you for coming. If you can give me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. I'll list my colors in the description below. They're all Artist Loft, so it's very easy. Premixed paints. This is one of the easiest paints that you can use. Very simple technique. Just layering in a cup. Sorry I torched that, honestly, but I guess it's okay. Okay, have a great day. Donna from Hollywood signing off. Bye-bye now. So I was very happy with this. When it was done, I was thrilled, and I love the shine that you get from that gold and that silver in the Artist Loft. But I'm not too happy with the outcome from the torching. I'm really sorry I torched this, but maybe it'll be okay later. If you can see over here, brought up some other. Yeah, not really thrilled with the torching. Sorry I did it, but such is life. Okay now, bye-bye.